Hello. Can you
Hello,
hear me?
teacher.
Can you hear
Yeah,
teacher? Okay, very good. Can you see teacher?
yeah, I can see.
Okay, good job. So before we start, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Teacher Sam. What about you? What is your name?
My name is Bao Lam.
Bao Lam. Do you have an English name?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't have English name. So what do you want me to call you? Do you want me to call you Bao or Lam?
Maybe Lam.
Well, what? One more time?
Lam.
Lam?
Yeah.
Lam? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so Lam, hello. Nice to
Hello,
meet
teacher.
you. My name is Teacher Sam. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good to hear that you're good. Are you ready to start our lesson?
Yeah, I'm
I
ready.
am I am your new teacher, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so Lam, let me share the screen for you, okay? Okay, so now Lam, can you see the book now? Can
Yeah. I see.
Okay. So this is the last page that you stop with your teacher, right? With your previous teacher. This is the last page, right? You finished this one already? You finished this? The comprehension, your last teacher?
I already finished the unit one global language or many.
This one, the comprehension check. You finished this one?
Yeah.
Okay. What about here, the vocabulary check? You finished this?
Yeah, I finished too.
Okay, so now let's continue here on page 34, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here, Lam, on page 34, opinion practice, okay? So practice supporting and refuting the opinions below. So this is the supporting opinion. Please read number one.
The world will be richer if there is one common language
Do you?
because
No, yeah, okay. Now you wait for teacher, okay? Okay, so number one, the opinion number one said the world will be richer if there is one common language. Do you think, Lam, in your own opinion, do you think the world will become richer if there is one common language?
um, maybe I think maybe yes,
Why? Why you said yes?
because the job will be many uh in the world on the world. So maybe people can do in the other country, not only one country.
Why? Why is it the job will become more if we have a common language?
It's just like you just use a job with the common language so everybody can understand your
Each each
understand
other?
yeah, just like that.
Okay, so yeah. So your answer is just like this. So if we have a common language or we have the same language with each country or each nation, we are able to communicate easily with one person to another person, right? Because we have the same language. Okay, good job, Lam. I get teacher Sam is understand we are able to understand your answer. Now let's go to number two. Okay. So here on number two, Lam, please read.
Most people will feel unhappy with one global language.
Okay. Just like here, letter A, because we can easily speak using other language. That is for answer number one. Okay. Okay. So number two, teacher Sam will read the question again, and then you choose your answer here. Okay.
Okay.
But after you choose your answer, teacher Sam will ask your own opinion as well. Okay. Because I will listen how if your sentence is correct and if your grammar is correct. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so number two, most people feel unhappy with the global language. Again, most people will feel unhappy with one global language.
Because many language will be there.
Okay, so do you agree with that? Most people will feel unhappy with one global language, and your answer is because many languages will die out. So, do you agree with that? That many languages will die out
I agree
because
because
I want
maybe
I I want you to support your answer, okay, with your own opinion.
yeah. Because I think maybe if there is just only one global language, maybe it will be uh just like boring.
Mm-hmm.
Because people cannot know more any language,
Oh, okay.
and,
Okay. Continue.
and it's just like the people don't like their language will be there.
I'm sorry. Again, one more time.
It's just like that if there's many language there, maybe the people at the country use that language will be unhappy because their language will be there.
Okay, so you mean um people in that country, if they are able to know how to speak other language, they will gonna be feel unhappy because their language, they will no longer use their own language because they are able know how to speak other language as well. That's your answer?
Yeah, the same time.
Okay. Okay, so number three, please read.
We do not need to have one common language.
Okay, so teacher Sam will read again. So number three, we do not need to have a common language.
Mm, because because most people don't communicate with people from other countries.
Yes. And do you agree with that, that we don't need to have a common language? Do you agree with that?
Mm,
Hello,
maybe
Lam.
I think maybe no,
Why? Excuse me.
because um because if we just have only one common language, I don't know how to say that, but I think
Uh,
maybe
limited?
yeah, I don't know how to say so. I don't know why, but I think maybe no.
Okay. Our This is teacher Sam opinion, okay?
Okay.
Because your answer is because most people don't communicate with other people from countries. That's why we do not need have a common language. And I think also the answer is no. Because if you only know one language, for example, you only know how to speak Vietnamese and you don't know how to speak English, then how can you communicate to other people? How can you talk to other people if you only know how to speak Vietnamese and you don't know how to speak English? Because English is our universal language. Sam, Lam, when you say universal language, it means most people in other countries from different countries in the world are know how to speak English because English is the universal language. Okay? That's why you are here right now learning English with teacher Sam so that you can talk to other people from other countries. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, number 4, please read.
Um, a global language helps us to have friends from all around the world.
Yes, this is what teacher Sam saying, right?
Yeah.
Again, number 4, global language help us to have friends from around the world because if you know how to speak a global language, you are able to communicate with other people as well. So, what is your answer?
It's the because companies can sell more things around the world.
Oh, yes, very good. Because if a global language help us to talk with other people, help us to talk with other companies, help us to sell more things around the world. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so you understand, Lam, the
Yeah.
supporting opinions? Okay, now let's go here, the refuting opinions. Okay, please read number 1.
Um, people can communicate easily if we speak one language.
Okay. Alam, can you please read this word again? This word?
Communicate.
Okay, this is your assignment. You write this in your notebook. Where's your notebook? You write this. This is your mispronounced words. This word is, please read again.
Right?
One more time.
Communicate.
Okay, that's not communicate. It's communicate. Okay? You understand, Lam?
Yeah.
Okay, you write this on your notebook. This is your assignment because in our next meeting, I will ask you how to read this word. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so if teacher Sam give you assignment, you always remember how to pronounce the word correctly because I will ask you again how to pronounce that word. Okay, now please read number 1 again, one more time.
People communicate
Very
easily
good.
if we speak one language.
Yes. So the question number 1 is people can communicate easily if we speak one language. What is your answer? Letter
Um,
A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? Take your time. Do not hurry. Find the correct answer. Okay?
the teacher. Thing will be D. I don't think that is a problem. There are, and it is only natural for language today.
Again, the question number 1, lump people can communicate easily if we speak one language.
Uh, I I disagree.
What letter
It
is that?
B.
Okay, please read letter B.
I disagree. It will take a long time for everyone learn the global language.
Okay, so teacher Sam will read the question again, number one, and teacher Sam will read the choices one by one so that you can understand very well. Okay. So
Okay.
the question number one, this is our refuting opinions. So people can communicate easily if we speak one languages. So letter A, I disagree. People will be unhappy about losing their language. Letter B, I disagree. It will take a long time for everyone to learn a global language. Letter C, I don't think that is a problem. It's only natural for languages to die out. Or letter D, I don't think that is a problem. There is always many jobs per people. Yes, the correct answer will be letter B. I disagree because it will take a long time for everyone to learn a global language. That's why most people communicate easily if they speak one languages only in their country. That's why it will take a long time for everyone to learn the global language. Okay? Okay,
Okay, teacher.
number two, Lam, please read.
The world will be happier place if we speak one language.
Okay, so number two, the world will be happier if we speak one language. What is your answer?
I think maybe it's A. I disagree. People will be unhappy about losing their language.
Yes, because number two, the world will be happier place if we speak one languages. So yes, the correct answer will be letter A. I disagree. People will be unhappy about losing their language. Okay? So I'm sorry, Lam. Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Is that your brother next to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, little brother.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. So, Lam, if this meeting will end, just join again the link, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. In case the meeting will end, just join again. Okay, let's go to number three. Please read.
A native speaker of a global language can get better jobs than people who need to learn the language.
Okay, so number three, native speakers of global language can get a better job than people who need to learn the language. What is your answer?
My answer is um letter D. No, C. I
Right.
yeah D. I don't think that is a problem. There are always many jobs for people.
Yes, because native speakers our global language can get a better job than people who need to learn languages. So I don't think that is a problem. There is always many jobs for people, okay? Okay?
Okay, teacher.
So let's go to the last one, number four.
Too many languages will die out if we only use one global language.
Okay, what is your answer?
Um, C.
Okay, please
I
read
don't
letter
think,
C.
I don't think that is a problem. It is only natural for language to die out.
Okay, so number four, many languages will die out if we only use one global language. So, yes, I don't think that is a problem. It is only natural for languages to die out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now Lam, you understand in this part, the page 34?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's go here on opinion examples. So opinion examples, read the opinion and answer the question, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now let's start here the supporting opinion. Please read. I will listen to your pronunciation.
Supporting opinion. The world needs to have one common language. First, all the people in the world can communicate with each other. That will be great because we can learn about each other's lives and cultures. Second, the world will be richer. This is because companies from all over the world can work together. At the moment, many companies cannot trade because they are unable to communicate well. More trade will mean more jobs for everyone.
Okay, now please read this word again.
Unable,
One more time.
unable.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Okay, so teacher Sam will read again and please listen very carefully, okay?
Okay,
Okay, so supporting opinion, the world needs to have, listen very carefully because later I will ask you a question, okay?
okay.
So, supporting opinion. When you say supporting, it means we support that opinion. Okay? It means we agree in this opinion. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
So, the world needs to have a common language. First of all, the people in the world can communicate with each other. That will be great because we can learn about each other lives and cultures. Second, the world will be richer. This is because companies from all over the world work together at the moment. Many companies trade because they are unable to communicate well. More trade will mean more jobs for everyone. So you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go here on opposing opinion. So when you say opposing opinion, Lam, it means you do not agree. It means you disagree in that opinion. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now please read the opposing opinion.
Uh, I strongly disagree with the idea of a global language. First, most people do not want a global language. They will be unhappy if they not cannot use their own language. In fact, the idea of a global language will will fail. This is because people will continue to use their own na- native language. Second, we don't need a global language. Only a few people communicate with individuals and companies from other countries. Most people only need their own language to be successful.
Again, please read the underlined word.
Uh,
This one, the first underlined word,
I don't know how to read that.
it's okay. Don't be afraid. Just read. Teacher Sam will teach you after. Okay, please read.
In individual.
Okay. Okay, so write this on your notebook. This word lam is individuals. Follow teacher, individuals.
Individual.
V on the middle. Individuals.
Individual.
You're almost there. One more time, just slowly. Individuals.
Individual.
Duals with S.
Dual.
Individuals.
Individual.
Okay, you got it. So that is your another assignment. Okay, next word, please read.
Wait for me.
Okay,
Um, successful language.
this one, only the underline.
Successful language. Successful.
This word, listen to teacher Sam. This word is successful.
Successful.
Okay, one more time. Successful.
Successful.
Says on the middle.
Yes.
Look at this. Successful.
Successful.
Okay. This is your another assignment. Okay. Let me send you on the chat box. Just wait. Okay. And you have 3 assignment. Okay.
Pretty sure.
Okay. So we have only 1 minute left, and this meeting will end. So I want you to enter again if this meeting will end. Okay.
Okay.